Hello YouTube. I'm just doing a quick video to show you the how many scope been purchasing in the past few years. I'm going to start with this AIM Sport. So this AIM Sport, that was my first scope, not knowing anything about scopes. It's a 4 Magnification by 32. Right now you guys can find this for on sale on Black Friday for ridiculous low price, like $56 or $50. They try to imitate the having a dual sight. I painted camo for one of my rifles. You see here, try to make some sense of having like sights over there. Here the caps, which you can open and see and change the elevation in different settings. I have illuminated reticle. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the reticle so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna put it in green right now. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. That's green right there. And then let me see if I can, this is off right there, and let me see if I can change the different colors. Sorry for the shaking on the camera, it was very hard to see right there. That's the reticle right there. Let's see if I can see. So I have different settings. See here, that's for the red, and you can have red or you can have the green. And you guys can see the green. There's not too much light over here. So that's the flip up size. Let me see if I can get a little bit more light. There you go, much better. Alright, so you can see over here the color for the illumination, and then here you can see the red marking and numbers for the illumination. You can adjust right there, the elevation right there, left and right, and up and down. And I left that at least to recognize there was a brand. Imitation fiber optic, don't know if it really works. I use it a lot. This was the first one. Pretty good shape. You can change your magnification a little bit here. But overall, that was my first one. Okay, so I'm gonna go for my second one. Okay, so my second one, Bushnell, is a red dot basically, the way it looks. Looks like a red dot. You have illumination also. You can see here the illumination. And this Bushnell, you can see here today, you can see here you can already use a little bit to change the elevation, and then here right there use it a little bit. Sorry for the zooming. Got this cover. I try to imitate like an aim point, something like that. Put a little bit of paint over there because it was missing some paint. It's more like a red dot type. See here? You can change the intensity of the light, and then you go to 0 right there. Okay, so this was my second one. I purchased this already included with a rifle, so it's an imitation. Bushnell, they give you good warranty with Bushnell. So that was my second one. Then got the first generation Vortex red dot. They've been very reliable, never have a problem with the batteries or anything. Pretty good. They have new generation now with Vortex 2 and 3. The on and off button, then the magnification and up and down, and night vision supposedly settings. Okay, so this is my third one. Then I got this 6 magnification scope with primary arms. This is supposed to be for the 22 caliber for primary arms. And amazing, have the illumination. You got quick settings over here for elevation, and then you have the illumination over here in the back. This have the new reticle, ACCS, I think that's the name of the reticle, and been very accurate. Even I use it in 223 5.56, and but this scope is supposed to be for 22 caliber. Amazing, and I use it. It's been very accurate. Okay, so that was my fourth one. However, for a long time, already like more than 6 years. Then they got this primary arms. This scope is very good. Primary arms. This primary arms, it have it's a very good scope. They have it on sale right now. This type of this is a ACSS HUD reticle, and quick half MOA. So they've been, we got the illuminated reticle right there. Very good scope, very precise. I love this scope. Then I got this on sale. It's called Pinty. It's 1.5 by 4 by 30. Aluminum one piece. Quick. Have a quick up and down for the half MOA on 100 yards, and you can lock. See that piece in the bottom is for locking the, you guys can see here, you can lock the tower so it doesn't change in case you bump into it, doesn't move. I paid this on sale, ridiculous low price. I think it was like $50. Easy to adjust over here for 1.5 to 4. Pretty good, love it. Then I purchased this on sale too. Yeah, you can see over here. This is the AR223, and this over here is made by Bushnell. So this is made by Bushnell. I have the reticle right there. Let me see if I can show you the reticle when it's turned on. Kind of hard to see it from here, especially when it's mounted on the rifle. Let's see. See? So the good thing about this one, I have this quick magnification lever over here from 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Very easy. Love it. Like this one too. And then I just purchased a bargain deal, this True Glow. They come with the mounting piece and everything. It comes with 2 pieces, so you can change this tower for the 308 and have when this scope first come out, it was usually around $300, which is crazy money. But now I found you can find this for under $200. True Glow. So it's 1x6x24. Like a lot the fact that you have this quick lever over here. You can bring in the magnification from 6 right there to 1 right there. So you can use it like a red dot type of thing to 6 magnification right there. So it's pretty good. And then you have the illumination here, pretty easy mark over here for the color. So you got the green over here with intensity and the red. Love they already come with this setup. And then here you can see over here, let me see if I can show you guys. I'm horrible doing this. Okay, let's see here. Wow. There you go. That's the reticle right there. I'm going to press this, turn it in red, actually in green, and with so much reflection here, hard to see. Sorry for the shaking. See, that's in green right there. Right there, that's the reticle right there in green. And then turn it in red. See if I can see it in red. Right there in red. Okay, so it's a quick look at the different scopes. And then I think you can turn it off. Right there. So pretty good. That's my review. I'm gonna do a separate review of my I just acquired for Black Friday primary arms 1x6x24 with the ACSS reticle. A great deal from Primary Arms. Again, thank you for watching this video. Sorry about all the movement. I'm just doing this for a quick review. But I pay very inexpensive. I pay $120 for this, brand new, on Black Friday. Usually everybody's doing it around under 200, a little bit under 200, but I think for 120 I couldn't pass, and I got it. Thank you for watching the video. Apologize for all the shaking of the camera. This is just a quick review. I started buying a scope little by little, and then I'm where I am right now with my poor man collection. Feel free to make any comments. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. Take advantage. There's a lot of deals going on in Black Friday, and Cyber Monday too is coming up. Thank you again. I'm going to do a separate review later on this optic. Leave your comment and subscribe. Thank you again.